Hey everyone, this is Crystal, and today I am sharing an unboxing of the brand new September kit from Citrus Twist. I have the Life Crafted kit and the stamp add-ons. I have the digitals to show you as well, so I am going to open this up and show you what's inside. Okay, so this is the Life Crafted kit. It's called The Best Parts. This is the little title card that comes with the kit. Of course, the kit comes in these reusable plastic envelopes that are super handy. I've started storing some of my larger stamps in them and they work great for that. So I'm gonna set this aside. I've already opened up the plastic so you don't have to hear that crinkling, but I wanted to start with the journaling cards because I always feel like these give us a really good idea of the theme of the kit and kind of what's inside. So there is this one that says loving you is easy, and the other side says this moment right here. There is this gorgeous pink floral with a spot in the center for maybe a photo or journaling or stamping. And then the other side says, a story is a way to say something that can't be said any other way. It's a Flannery O'Connor quote. More life, less rush. I really like that one. And then the other side has a script print on the top and bottom with a blank spot in the center. This one says, so good. And then on the move. This one has a little knife and fork and a heart, a place to add photos or journaling. The other side has those stars with a little gray spot, again for photos or journaling. I love this one. It's purple and it has all these like stamped spots on it. And then the other side is a kind of gingham print. This one says journey. It has favorite places, far and away, local spot, new discovery, good things found here. And then the other side has this really kind of hand-drawn polka dot. It's really cute. The best part. And a kind of painterly stripe. And then this one says today's victories. I really like that. And then I'm here for it. Oh, I like that one too. Super glad I get the digitals of these because I'm gonna want to use both sides of that one for sure. Next up, let's take a look at the 4x6 cards. So there's this one that has all these frames, kind of like slide frames. And then a really beautiful stripe on the other side. More of that gorgeous pink floral print. And then a really simple mint grid on the other side. And I really like this one. I love simple cards that make it easy to add journaling and a photo and some embellishments. This is a great kind of background card. Once again, super glad I get the digitals so I can use both sides of those. Of course, there is the cut apart label sheet that comes in every kit. I always get tons of use out of that. And then the bookmark says the best part, this made my day, and the other side says the details. I really love this one. That's gonna be really nice for like a mini album. I can totally see that. Okay, let's take a look at the 6x8 papers. Of course, these are all one-sided and exclusive to Citrus Twist. So there's this beautiful floral print, a nice wood grain. Love it when we get some really good neutrals in these packs. This kind of hexagon geometric print in like a teal, a super dark teal and like a lighter teal. This pink on pink print. Another really beautiful floral. This very small geometric print. I'm not sure if you can see that. Sorry guys, it's a gloomy day. My lighting isn't great today. A teal on teal floral. A pink geometric pattern. Ooh, this one is a navy blue with script on it. It says, I'm trying to see if we can read a full, it's all good, look on the bright side, loving this, let's run away, the best bits, you make me smile, my favorite story, this is the best, loving you is easy, little bits of me, would do this again, off on another adventure, the look in your eyes, really cool. I will never forget. A culinary adventure. I like that one. Here is a white and yellow kind of geometric print. And then this one is a bright yellow with gray. It's almost like typewritten. It says happiness over and over. And then a pink and orange stripe. So those are the papers and the cards. Now let's take a look at the embellishments. So the alpha this month is a gorgeous mint puffy alpha. And then of course, the puffy hearts. The puffy hearts are amazing. Mine are upside down, but that's okay. There are some wood grain ones on this one too. I really love those. Those are going to be a lot of fun to use. I always love using the puffy hearts. And then the ephemera pack, which as usual is just absolutely full of gorgeous things. So there are lots of florals, tons of tickets, and oh my goodness, you guys, I have been loving the tickets lately, so I can't wait to use those. And then a title that says beautiful, some other little journaling spots, and some little hearts as well. Oh, and a couple labels too. Very nice. There is also a little package of extra bits, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think this might be just part of what you get. That I think maybe I just got a few of them. I'm not entirely sure though. I will have to check and make a note of that in the description down below. But these are fabric, and I was just saying just not too long ago when I did my walkthrough of my album so far how much I love including these fabric bits because they just add a really wonderful texture to my pages, and they don't add a lot of bulk. So love these. They're beautiful colors too. Can't wait to use those in my Project Life album in my pocket pages. And then finally, the stamp that comes with the Life Crafted kit. This is called The Best Part, just like the kit itself. So it says, falling for you, the best part, love every part of you, of this story, of this experience, of this trip. You are the sweetest feeling I know. Of me is you, forever my always. You are the sun to my moon. This day couldn't be any better. Freaking good. This makes my heart smile. The absolute best and amazing. So you can see how you can use these together to kind of build larger titles. Love that. Okay, so that is the Life Crafted kit for this month. Let's take a look at the stamp add-ons. So I have two of the stamps to share with you today. This is the Good Life stamp set. And then I also have the September Traveler's Notebook stamp set. So let's start with this one. You can see there are some really beautiful large titles. I really like this font. That's a lot of fun. And then some things that kind of work with them. And as always, the best part of these stamp sets is the key on the back, because it shows you exactly how you can fit them all together and make them work for your projects. This one even has a little like 3x4 card that you can build using this stamp set. So it totally shows you how to make these work for your projects. So I love this about the Citrus Twist stamps. I love that we get this key. It helps me so much in building up embellishments for my projects. So very, very cool stamp set here. You can see all the different pieces that work together, all the little like half circle phrases and hearts that go around the circle elements, and then the big larger titles as well. I love these little leafy bits too. And then the tiny icons, the ampersand, the bird, the flower. It's like a sunflower. I love that. The heart, a thumbs up, a knife and fork. There's even a tiny little heart and a tiny little star. Looks like they fill in these, so you can even like layer them. This one's a good one, guys. I like this one a lot. Okay, Traveler's Notebook stamp. I'm just going to read these off to you again. So it says, perfect, favorite things, every last piece of my heart, be your own sunshine, a few of my, a stardust soul, epic stuff this, Friday love, you are my person, it's time to go make stories, oh yeah, it's the little things, love, it's all good, gleam of sunshine, hidden treasure, woohoo, and dear weekend, I'm ready for you. Lots of great phrases, and you can see how they will even coordinate with the stamp set in the Life Crafted kit, if I can get a hold of it over here really quickly. So you can even layer these together, and the fonts work really well together. So totally adds to the number of phrases and titles and things you can make with that stamp set that comes with your kit. Okay, next up, let's take a look at a few of the digitals that are available this month. So first off, we have the extra bonus journaling cards. These you will get a digital file if you are a subscriber. You have access to this. There are 4 3x4 journaling cards here. You can see it's very much kind of a back to school theme. There is the actual back to school card. There's one with a little pencil at the top, a little composition notebook, and then a library borrower's card. I like that one a lot, of course. So yeah, love these. And then there is, oh, let's take a look at this one first. Sorry about that. So this is the cut apart sheet that you also get if you are a subscriber. It's a free extra bit that you get if you subscribe to the kits. It's digital, of course, so you cut it apart yourself, or you can run it through your die cutting machine and have it cut it for you. So there are circles and tags and flags and lots of good stuff, a couple labels as well. Of course, it all coordinates with the colors of the kit. I think you can probably tell my favorite, and it's this one right here with the coffee cup. Black and white with a coffee cup. Love it so much. All right, and then there's also the digital tag set. So this is another digital file you can purchase in the shop for just a few dollars, and it gives you all kinds of extra tickets and tags to play with. Of course, they coordinate with the kit as well. So there are these 2 larger tags as well as all these little tickets and little flags that work really well, like at the top of a journaling card or at the top of a photo. A couple labels too. Love these. So it says pass, day, week, school, pass, ups, downs, what a wild ride, write it down, admit one, a little time for myself, everyday adventures, happy time carnival ride. Love those. Like I said, I've been getting lots and lots of use out of the tickets, so I'm super happy to have another sheet of those to play with. And then I think I have these in reverse order, but that's okay. We're gonna take a look at them anyway. These are the Traveler's Notebook basic pages that coordinate with this month's kit. So when you purchase these, you get them both in printables like this. So these are the PDF pages that I just printed out. You also get the individual PNGs. So if you just want to print one of these pages, or if you need to resize it for whatever project you're working on, you can do that as well. So now that I've gotten it to page 1, let's take a look at what's here. So there are these 2. One says truly good and big happy. I love this kind of scripty font that repeats throughout these pages. There's this wood grain print and a floral. You can see they match the papers in the kit pretty well too. This one says happy and remote. It's a good day to be happy, and then remote documented with another composition kind of print, and then a floral that matches one of the papers in the kit as well. This is the best, documented, you are one of life's most beautiful chapters, and then where do I begin, with lots of prompts to fill in. Another composition notebook page. I really like this. I think I might try and use that on a project. It's giving me ideas. And then this one says today with hearts and a spot for stamping or journaling. This one has that same floral print, and it says this was the best part, and then life sparks, and again more spots for journaling. And then schedule. This is obviously a perfect way to document your schedule for school, whether it's homeschool or you're actually going into a classroom, or your kids are actually going into a classroom. And then good memories and a little numbered list. I love those for journaling as well. Okay, so that is a look at all of the digitals that are available this month. Okay, and here is one last look at everything in this month's release. You can see it's a really gorgeous kit. I'm really liking the colors. They are bright, but not too bright. It's kind of a perfect color palette for September, for kind of heading into fall, out of summer. So I think it's going to be a lot of fun to play with. I can't wait to dig in and get started. As always, everything here will be linked down below for you. If you are not a subscriber, I would rush over to that shop, because these have not been lasting very long at all. So make sure you go down and click the link in the description box and head over to the Citrus Twist Kit shop. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Otherwise, I will see you back here soon.